Following Thursday's update with the Ripple vs. SEC lawsuit, the presiding judge denied Ripple's motion to stop the SEC from sending out Memorandum of Understanding inquiries to other financial regulators overseas. This legal tussle between the SEC and Ripple Labs has been ongoing for a while now, which had many exchanges delisting the digital asset from their platforms. Termed the cryptocurrency trial of the century, this lawsuit is believed by most to change the cryptocurrency space forever. The question on everybody's lips is, given the lawsuit, is the recent XRP price action just a pump and dump thanks to the XRP community? Or has Ripple finally turned the tables to the company's advantage? Hello and welcome back to Make Money Online, your go-to place for everything XRP. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on bell notifications. Also, now you can join the channel as a paid subscriber for some exclusive benefits. You can also sign up to our free Discord group via the link in the description and join a community of like-minded traders and investors. Be sure to check it out via the link in the description and also in the pinned comment. Suppose you are an ardent supporter of XRP. In that case, you should be familiar with the ongoing battle between the United States financial regulators, initiated by the erstwhile chairman of the commission, Jake Layton, and one of the best cryptocurrency projects ever to come out of America. The SEC's case with Ripple and two of its executives has taken several twists and turns. Since the inception of this court proceeding back in December last year, crypto enthusiasts and financial investors alike have been watching this closely. There have been many speculations that this could mean the end for XRP and other cryptocurrencies that get handpicked by the SEC. Amidst all of that, the price of XRP had soared to more significant highs, amassing a year-to-date increase of about 10 times. The litigation that started as a bitter experience has grown to bring good news to Ripple and its native asset XRP. And as the lawsuit continues, Ripple acquired more partnership deals than it has lost due to the court proceedings. The question now is, what could the outcome of this lawsuit mean for XRP and crypto as a whole? If you are unfamiliar with what the SEC suit with Ripple is all about and why it's of significant importance, allow me to bring you up to speed. The United States Securities and Exchange Commission is the foremost financial regulatory agency for the entire financial market in the United States. As such, it enacts policies and regulations related to financial securities, including but not limited to stocks and digital assets. The SEC was created in 1934 as a response to the Wall Street crash that had happened about 5 years prior, which led to the Great Depression that affected the whole world at the time. Just as stated on the Commission's official website, the mission of the SEC is to protect investors, maintain fair, orderly, and efficient markets, and facilitate capital formation. The SEC strives to promote a market environment that is worthy of the public's trust. Bearing the SEC's mission statement at heart, the classification of an asset by the SEC solely depends on a ruling popularly known as the Howie Test. Essentially, the Howie Test was a direct derivative from a Supreme Court ruling against the US SEC and a company named W.J. Howie Co. back in 1964. The Howie Test consists of 4 criteria which are considered before an asset can be classified as a security. Firstly, money must be invested into the asset. In plain English, you use cash to purchase the asset. Secondly, this investment must be in a joint enterprise, which means that the asset's price action is universal for everyone holding it. Thirdly, investing in the asset must be done to secure some gains and profits. Finally, the 4th criterion, and the most important, is that this expectation of profit must come from a third party of some sort, whether as a company or an individual. This 4th criterion has been the basis for the SEC's court case against Ripple, its co-founder Chris Larsen, and its CEO Brad Garlinghouse. In summary, the SEC is arguing that XRP is a security, as it ticks all the boxes for a financial asset to be termed as such. An argument based on the fact that XRP involves an investment of money in a joint enterprise with the expectation to make profits and is driven by a third party's actions. Further on, the SEC's evidence for third-party expectations of profit is based on how XRP was used and marketed by Ripple, Brad, and Chris Larsen, 2 partner clients and retail investors. Due to Ripple Labs and 2 of its most senior executives being a party to selling this digital asset without doing the due diligence of registering it as a security with the SEC, indicates Ripple's sales were deemed to be illegal. What the SEC is hoping for is to have Ripple Labs spit out the $1.3 billion it had made from the sale of XRP tokens from its initial coin offering to date. similarly requesting that Brad and Chris cough up the $600 million they had made from the sales of their holdings of XRP tokens. Additionally, the SEC aims to prevent Ripple, Brad, and Chris from selling any more XRP tokens or participating in any further digital asset sales. With a logical defense by Ripple's executives, they maintain that the platform's digital asset is not a security. Instead, and I quote, a better alternative to Bitcoin. The first pretrial hearing in the Ripple versus SEC case occurred on February 22nd, precisely 2 months after the SEC filed its first court proceedings against Ripple. We've got lawyers from both the SEC and Ripple yet again restating their arguments. In addition, one of Ripple's counsel in court had dropped a bombshell, stating that the SEC had been approached by a crypto exchange platform in 2019 who had requested to know if the digital asset was fit to be deemed as security or not. At that point, the SEC did not say no. Brad Garlinghouse and Chris Larson filed a motion in March requesting to be dismissed as defendants in the case. A filing revealed that the company's co-founder and CEO have been selling their XRP tokens on various crypto exchanges. Following this, the SEC had attempted to convince the judges to have Brad and Chris hand over their financial records. In one of the virtual hearings in late March, the SEC had confirmed that only the sale of XRP tokens made by Ripple, Brad, and Chris constitutes the sale of a security. By this, it was vindicating exchanges and individuals, as sales from these other entities were not deemed as such. Even though this assumption is a little bizarre, it conveniently confirms the argument that our favorite XRP attorney, John Deaton, had made on behalf of XRP holders, which might be the reason why his second filing was approved. The Ripple vs. SEC lawsuit is indeed a case with several twists and turns. In April, the court had granted Ripple's request to gain access into the SEC's discussions about cryptocurrencies. The court also denied the SEC's request to see the personal finances of Brad and Chris, which was not surprising, considering they had already made available records of their XRP sales. Likewise, and more recently, the magistrate judge presiding over the case had denied the defendant's motion to stop the SEC from sending out Memorandum of Understanding requests to foreign security agencies, which Ripple claimed was done in a bid by the financial regulators to intimidate Ripple and its executives. Additionally, the defendants wanted to compel the SEC to employ the Hague Convention process, a claim further dismissed by Judge Netburn as she goes forth to hint that the MOU requests are in line and permissible, stating that there has been no argument that the requests exceed the scope of any governing bilateral agreement. Instead, courts have routinely rejected the proposition that the Hague Convention is the exclusive or priority means of conducting foreign discovery. Ripple and its executives have argued that even if XRP is deemed a security, the SEC has no jurisdiction over the sales because they cannot prove those sales took place within the United States. In a 100-page report filed to the SEC's amendment by Ripple on March 4th, the cross-border payment settlement company went ahead to argue that the SEC did not give fair notice regarding XRP as a security, referencing the exchange that had approached the SEC back in 2019. But even while the lawsuit is still ongoing, Ripple has been marketing its unique platform functionalities such as its nominal transaction fee and superfast transaction completion time, slated for financial institutions, banks, non-banks, and the like. In addition to that, Ripple released its specialized ledger for central bank digital currencies, which was subsequently noted as a possible platform for the digital euro by the Bank of France. When you combine these developments with the rumors that Coinbase, the leading crypto exchange in the US, could soon be relisting XRP, what you get is a prominent parabolic price rally for XRP. Although XRP has failed to reclaim its all-time highs like many other cryptocurrencies, which could be viewed as bearish, we now know that the value of this digital asset is destined for more extraordinary highs. And this, in turn, signals a potential buy opportunity for investors, especially for those in the United States. Thanks for watching until the end of today's video. If you enjoyed it, please consider leaving a like, sharing it with your friends, subscribing to the channel, and turning on post notifications to get daily updates whenever we upload a new video. Don't forget you can also join the channel as a paid subscriber for some exclusive benefits, and you can still join the free Discord group via the link in the description. How do you think this whole Ripple versus SEC case is going to pan out? Let us know your thoughts in the comment section down below. And also be sure to check out some of our previous videos for more XRP coverage. See you next time.